I'm Dua. Do you guys love brushing your teeth? Then let's try toothbrush and toothpaste. Repeat after me. Okay, let's start by drawing the outline of our toothbrush. Here is the toothbrush head. And here is the handle. Right now, let's add some details. You each go like this. Perfect. Now let's draw the bristles. I'll show you, just draw some lines here. See, easy peasy. You know what, I think our toothbrush needs a funny face. Look. Eyebrows. Eyes. And the mouth. Oh, what a cute toothbrush. And now I'll draw the outline of a big tooth. Press like and subscribe if you like coloring with me. A happy, healthy tooth hugging his best friends. A toothbrush and a toothpaste. Of course, it has a face too. Look, isn't it lovely? And can you guess what I'm drawing here? Right, it's a tube of toothpaste. Now I'll draw some short lines here. And here on the cap. Yes, very good. And certainly I won't forget to draw a happy face. What a happy tube of toothpaste. So do you like our picture? Personally, I think it looks absolutely adorable. And now it's time to add some color to make it even better. But first I have to finish with the outline. Right, just like this. Okay, here we go. I'm coloring the toothbrush. What color are the bristles? Pink. Looks like our toothbrush. Love it. If you like pink, press like and subscribe. Wow, what a bright color. Do you know what it is? Oh, yes, it's green. And one more color for this part of the toothbrush. What color is it? Oh, it's blue. Oh, looks so good. Well done. Time to color our toothpaste. Oh, we've used this bright color before, remember? Yes, it's green. By the way, what's your favorite toothpaste flavor? There is so many choices, but mint is the most popular, of course. There are also strawberry flavor and orange flavor. And even chocolates. So the tip of our toothpaste is green. Maybe it is apple flavored. Okay, let's color the cat. Do you know what color it is? It's orange. What a nice color! And what color is it? Right, it's purple. Oh, and we've used this before. Pink. And blue. Press like and subscribe if you like coloring with me. Very good. Come with something new. I've used some red color. And now purple again. Almost finished. Do you know what color it is? It's orange. Done. Oh, that was fun. See you next time.